All right. So on this day, last day 5, how do we measure time? How do we measure time? You guys, we've been talking about this all week. We can measure 5 seconds, minutes, days, weeks, even months. Sometimes we can talk about years too. All right. Let's say immediately. Immediately. It's when you do it right away. What's something that you do immediately? One thing that I do if I'm thirsty, I immediately get a drink, right? Kind of like you guys do on your desk. You guys have your water bottles on your desk. All right, schedule. Remember, a schedule is an order in which things happen. So we have a schedule at school, right? It's the order that things happen. You guys might have a schedule at home, or you might not. All right, here's our calendar. What month are we in? What month are we in? You said January. You're right. We're in January. Use the calendar to figure out what day it is. Or I can even look at my computer and it will tell me. On the bottom of my right-hand screen, it will tell me. All right, occasion. An occasion is a special time or event. Maybe ask your parents about a special occasion that they enjoy. All right, weekend. Remember, the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. What are some things that you do on your weekend? One thing I like to do on my weekend is take a nap or watch football. That's two of the things that I enjoy. All right, I'm going to blend the sounds and you're going to make the word. Are you ready? An. Man, good job. Ack. Back. Good job. Uh-oh. Did you guys notice something? We've been talking about long A. Am I doing long A? Uh-oh. Silly Miss Mason. I need to go back. There is a line above the A. What does that mean? That means it's a long A. Oh, silly me. Are you ready? Let's go back. Let's retry. Remember, if we don't get something right, that's okay. We gotta retry. Are you ready? A. What's that word? Main. Good job. Ache. Bake. Ache. Lake. Ache. Lake. Ache. Safe. Game. Good job. Did you notice how Miss Mason made a mistake and she just retried? It's okay to make a mistake. We just got to learn in our brain. It's okay to make a mistake, but to retry and not to give up, right? All right. So long A. So we have ache. Snake. Remember, A, the long A right there. The E makes A say its name. All right, get your tappers ready. Are you ready? Pain. Sail. That's kind of tricky, isn't it? Hates. Ache. Make. I want to know is hate and make. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do those words rhyme? Thumbs down. They don't rhyme. They don't have the same middle and ending sound. All right. Sometime today you guys can practice writing your words if you have some extra time. Maybe go write them on Seesaw or even on your whiteboard. Anytime you have extra time, you can practice these words. Okay? Make. M-A-K-E. Make. Take. T-A-K-E. Take. Came. C-A-M-E. Came. Game. G-A-M-E. Game. Gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Late. L-A-T-E. Late. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Graph. G-R-A-P-H. Graph. Sum. S-O-M-E, some. Today, T-O-D-A-Y, today. All right, we have some missing letters right here. Make. What's that missing letter? You said E, you're right. Now we have ache, take. Right, very good. The T was our missing sound. All right, the next one is came. We're missing a M. What letter goes there? M. Good job. The next one is game. A M. What letter is missing there? So M. Good job. Now we have gate. What's missing? It's a vowel. That's right. It's that silent E. Silent E. Now we have late. Late. That's right. The T sound is a T. Then we have chin. It. Short I. Then we have graph. Ooh, this one's kind of tricky. It's a diagram. P-H. So the P goes there. We have some. We're missing the beginning sound. Some. S. Good job. And then we have today. Remember, that one's kind of tricky. Two. How do you spell two? T-O. All right, let's look at our sight words. Ready? Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. Way. W-A-Y. Way. Now. N-O-W. Now. Some. S-O-M-E. Some. Y. W-H-Y-Y. Today. T-O-D-A-Y. Today. All right, let's look at our word search. Let's find our words. Do you guys see away? You guys see it? Oops, I see it. A-W-A-Y. Away. But now. Now. Did you guys see now? N-O-W? Oops, I see it. N-O-W. But some. Some. Ooh, I see it at the top. Do you see it? S-O-M-E. Some. How about today? Oh, I see it at the bottom. T-O-D-A-Y. Today. Way. W-A-Y. Way. Y. W-H-Y. Y. Good job, first graders.